What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect a Bluetooth headphone to your TCL Roku TV. So if you want to be able to get the audio or sound from your TCL Roku TV to any Bluetooth headphones, this video is going to work out pretty well for you. Now there are basically two ways to go about doing this. First things first, you actually have to go over to your TCL Roku TV, and on your TV you want to head over to the settings. So scroll over to settings, scroll over to the right, and then you want to come over to the remote and accessories option over here. Select that. For the first method, if you're connecting to Roku branded Bluetooth headphones, that is Bluetooth headphones that are particularly produced by Roku, then you want to go ahead and select the speakers option over here. Click on add speakers, click on the wireless speakers option over here, click on continue. Once you click on the continue button, your TCL Roku TV will start to search for available Roku branded Bluetooth headphones it can actually connect to. But again, this method will only find your Bluetooth headphones if they are actually produced specifically by Roku. However, if you want to be able to connect third-party Bluetooth headphones to your TCL Roku TVs, then depending on the model of TCL Roku TV you have, you should actually have the wireless headphone options immediately after the speakers. But again, this particular option is restricted in some regions and in some models of TCL Roku TVs or Roku TVs generally. So if you do not have the wireless headphone option, you don't have to worry. There is also another solution you can actually try. But if you actually have the wireless headphone option on your own TCL Roku TV, go ahead and select it, and then your TCL Roku TV should automatically search for Bluetooth devices it can actually connect to, and then automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphone. Now for the final method, if you want to connect third-party Bluetooth headphones that are not Roku branded to your TCL Roku TV, and you also do not have the wireless headphone option, just like mine over here, what you can actually do to still be able to get the audio from your TCL Roku TV is to go over to your phone, and on your phone, what you want to do first and foremost is to make sure you connect the Bluetooth of your phone to your Bluetooth headphone. So come over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone, and then just go ahead and search for the name of your Bluetooth headphone and then connect to it. Make sure that your Bluetooth headphone is actually turned on at this particular point. Now this is actually the name of my Bluetooth headphone. I'll go ahead and select it so that it can actually pair with my phone, then click on pair. My Bluetooth headphone is now connected with my phone, and then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and get the Roku app into your phone. You can get this app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store depending on your device, and once you get it, mine is literally over here, so I'll go ahead and open it up just like so. Make sure that both your Roku TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Select the name of your TCL Roku TV from over here. As you can see, both devices are now connected. Now for you to be able to get the audio and sound from your TCL Roku TV to your Bluetooth headphone, which is literally over here, what you want to do is to now go ahead and click on the remote option over here. So click on remote just like so, then click on allow at the bottom. Click on allow, and then at this point you just want to go ahead and click on this headphone icon over here. Once you select it, you want to go ahead and click on this OK, and you can literally see the notification at the top of our TCL Roku TV as well. Once this is now turned on, the audio and sound from your TCL Roku TV will automatically start coming out from your Bluetooth headphones over here, and trust me, this works pretty well. And at this point, just to test things out, I'm going to try to play a YouTube video, and you're definitely going to be hearing the sound coming out from my Bluetooth headphones that are currently connected to my TCL Roku TV over here.
After surviving relentless attacks from mercenary forces in the escalating oil war.
Okay, so I believe you could hear the audio coming out from my Bluetooth headphones over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.